Hello everybody! How to use bullets in lists in Google Docs. I select this, I go here to bulleted list. I can choose the style I want. That's it. If I want to go further, I could say these ones increase indent and these ones increase indent. If you have this problem and it seems different, just delete and do return again. That's it. And if you want to go even further, you can select a part and go to Format, Bullets and Numbering, Bulleted List, and here you can choose styles or list options. For example, this. Okay, enjoy it!